you don't have to press hard, just take light, gentle strokes and just fill in your areas where your hair is thin. I generally like a natural finish eyebrow. I rarely go all the way over here. That's just my preference, but I might be a little extra today. I'll try something different, but I like my eyebrows to look natural. And I don't really like them too dark, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna take my spoolie and just like brush the hairs and brush the product through. And then I'm gonna put some of my Eyebrow concealer on the back of my hand. I need to get some more. And this is in the color Toffee. You only need a little bit. I don't like to put that much product, but I also use matte concealer as well. It just depends on what I'm doing for that day. My matte concealer is, I don't know what color it is, but Eyebrow concealer works just as good. I put it on the back of my hand. I take my angle brush and just dab a little bit on like so. It doesn't have to be that much. And basically, oh, I put it on the wrong side, but it's fine. And you basically outline your eye. You can do small little strokes. If I wasn't doing this video, I would just go just like this, because I've been doing this so much. But yeah, so, and I do apologize, y'all, because I don't have like a good setup, so it's kind of hard for me to make this video, but it is doable. Anything is possible. I want to get up close so you all can see. How I'm doing this. And that is that. Then I go to the top and outline it. Uh-oh. Try to get as close as you can to the makeup. And this part is basically just cleaning up where you went outside the line. Yeah. So now I'm done with that. I'm going to get my blending brush. And sometimes I see other people pull the product down. You can like gently pull it down if you get too much. Just pull the product down so you don't have that halo effect around your eyebrows. Practice makes perfect. I have now learned how to put on eyelashes because I practice every single day. Even when I wasn't going nowhere, I got in that mirror and practiced how to do eyelashes. Did I say eyebrows or eyelashes? But eyelashes is what I'm talking about. So now I won't say that I've mastered it, but I have learned how to put on my eyelashes where they look decent enough to go out the door. All right, so now you just shade, well, blend that product in and take your time. But yeah, just blend it in so you don't have all that makeup. Oh no, I'm closing the wrong eye. So yeah. that. And like I say, y'all, I like a natural looking eyebrow. That's just me. But you can go darker with the concealer and be dramatic as you want to be. So this is just basic eyebrow tutorial. So then I do this. Turn my head the right way so y'all could see. Let's set that concealer in place. See, no arch, it doesn't matter. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick eyebrow tutorial, but that goes to show that it doesn't take long to do your eyebrows. I don't care how beautiful they look, it doesn't take a whole hour to put on some eyebrows. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and let me know what other videos you would like to see. To my loyal subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And to my new viewers, please hit that subscription button and welcome to the gang. And remember, love costs nothing, smiles are free, and a hug can save someone's life. So be encouraged.